Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 20 of Surah An-Nisa and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وإن أردتم استبدال زوج مكان زوج وآتيتم for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. In this ruling is idhar and sifa is tawassut. In hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Tum. This ra is attached with ta. This is idgham kamil. So ra will be heavy and ta will be light. Tu, and ta has a very sharp sound. There is no flow of sound. Tu, and circle your lips very nicely. Mus, for dhamma, circle your lips. As soon you will touch seen, you will give rakhawa, you will give safir, and you will make it light. Aradtu mustibda, tib, for kasra, give e sound attached with ba. Ba will get qalqala. Tib, da is 2 counts long. La, short. Aradtu mustibda, la. Za has rakhawa. For fatha, open your jaws, attach it. Wow, and it is 2 counts long because this is mad lean. Zawjim, for kasra, give e sound. And attach it meme. This is idgham. And the gunna is akmal. So give the sound, keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Zim, and fatha is very short. Ma, ka is light and 2 counts long. Na, short. Zaw, for fatha, open your jaws, attach it. Wow, this is lean, so make it soft and 2 counts long. Ziu, this is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time because this idgham is akmal. Ziu, for fatha, open your jaws, the sound is short. Hamza is very sharp, make it 2 counts long. Tay, 2 counts long, make it soft. Ta is very sharp sound. It cuts off the flow of sound. For fatha, open jaws, attached with ya, and ya will be soft and 2 counts long sound. Tay, tum, for the circle lips, attached with mim will get sifa of tawassut. Tum, ih, for kasra, give e sound. Hamza is very sharp, attached with ha will get rukhawa, and it will be light. Ih, da, 2 counts long, and give it a very sharp sound. No flow of sound should be there. Da, hun, for dhamma, circle lips, attached with noon will get sifa of gunna. And this gunna is akmal gunna, so give a longer time. Hun, and fatha is very short. Na, qing, for kasra, give e sound, and this is ikhfa, and this ikhfa is heavy. Why? Because ta, which is the coming up letter, is heavy. So you will lift your tongue up to make this heavy ikhfa. Ting, ta is 2 counts long. Rang, ikhfa, and this is light ikhfa because fa is among light letters. Rang, fa, give hums, a beautiful hums in fa. Whenever you look at fa, you're giving hums. For fatha, open your jaws, the sound is short. Fa, la, 2 counts long. Ta is very sharp. There is no flow of sound whatsoever. For fatha, open jaws, attach with hamza, and hamza is another sharp sound. No flow of sound is there. The sound cuts off there and then. For dhamma, circle lip. Du, for Dhamma, circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. Min, for Kasra, give E sound, attach with Noon. Sifa ruling is Itha, and Sifa is Tawassut. And tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Min, hu for the circular lips. Shay, make it 2 counts long. Mad arid mad iwad. This is mad iwad because you're exchanging this sound of noon into mad letter. So this exchange made this 2 counts long vowel. Shay, Hamza is very sharp. Ta, same thing, make it 2 counts. No, it is not 2 counts long. It is very sharply stopped. Ta, hu for the circle your lips. And kha is heavy. Du, 2 counts long and circle your lips. Na, short. Woo, make it 2 counts long, circle your lips. Woo. For the circle your lips. Attach with ha will, as soon as you will touch ha, your lips should be in a straight position and ha will get rakhawa. So the sound should flow nicely on ha. Woo. Ta, very sharp sound and make it 2 counts long. Now idgham, and this is idgham is with akmal gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Now wa for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. If for give e sound for e for kasra and attach with tha. Tha will be light and it will have rakhawa. If mam for fatha, open your jaws nicely. Attach with meme. This is idgham with gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Nam for the circle your lips. B 2 counts long. Na mad iwad. You're exchanging the sound of noon into 2 counts long vowels. So this exchange made it 2 counts long vowel. So you're exchanging the sound of noon into mud letter. Yes. Mubina. Wa in aradtum istibdala zawjin makana zawjin wa ataytum إحداهن قنطارا فلا تأخذوا منه شيئا أتأخذونه بهتانا وإثما مبينا. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Kay, 2 counts long. F, give hums. A nice hums in fa. Whenever you look at fa, you're giving hums. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Ta, khudunahu. Wa, for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Qad, qaf is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala. Qad. F, Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open jaws, attach it. Fa, give nice hums and rakhawa on fa. F, do, 2 counts long. Ba, for fatha, open your jaws, attach it. Ain will get sifa of tawassut. And tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Ba, lu, for dhamma, circle your lips and make a dot heavy. The sound is short. Kum for the circle your lips, attach with me, we will get sifa of tawassut. Kum e for kasra, give e sound. La 2 count long. Ba for fatha, open your jaws, attach with ain will get sifa of tawassut. Ba diu idgham with gunna. Keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Diu for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws. There is no flow of sound whatsoever. No flow of sound should be there. Khad, for fatha, open your jaws. Kha is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with dal. Dal will get sifa of rakhawa. So the sound should flow nicely. خذنا. Na is short. Ning. For kasra, give E sound. Be careful, don't drop this E sound even though you are making ikhfa here. So, concentrating on ikhfa shouldn't make you forget about this E sound. Ning. This ikhfa is like ink. Yes, it sounds like ink. Ming, ming, kum for the circular lips and attach with mim, ming. This is idgham shafawi. So this idgham is also getting akmal gunna. The akmal gunna is the longest gunna in Quran. So give a nice sound in your nose. Kum, mi, 2 counts long. Ta, 2 counts long. One. Ruling it with her and sifat tawassut. One. Ghain is heavy for fatha open jot. Li. 2 counts long. Wa. Mad. Iwad. Yes, exchanging. Iwad means to exchange. So this is the mad which has been created because of the exchange of something, and you are exchanging the sound of noon into Mm, long vowel. So this is غليظ. وكيف تأخذونه وقد أفضى بعضكم إلى بعض وأخذن منكم ميثاقا غليظا. For wow circle lip for top in jot la 2 counts long. La tang. This is ikhfa and this is light ikhfa, but in this ikhfa you're still lifting your tongue up. Yes, yes, I can feel that tongue is up. So that sounds like this. Tangi. For kasra give e sound. Hu 2 counts long. And circle your lips for dhamma, ma 2 counts long. Na short. Ka light and short. Ha give a misty sound before the letter and for top on your jaws. Nakaha. Hamza is very sharp and make it 2 counts long. Ba 4 counts long. U for the muscle lips. You're pronouncing this Hamza, not wow. So whenever you see Hamza on anything, so you will not be pronouncing the letter under it. There might be ya or there might be wow, but you are pronouncing the Hamza at the top. So you are pronouncing Hamza here. U, kum. So this wow is acting like a chair for this Hamza right now. So you are not pronouncing chair, but you are actually pronouncing the letter which is here. U, kum for the circle lips, and there is idgham, and this is idgham is this idgham is has akmal gunna. Kum me for kasra give e sound. Nan for fatha open your jaws attached with noon. Noon. This is idgham with gunna. Nan me for kasra give e sound. Sa 4 counts long. E for kasra give e sound. Il hamza is very sharp for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get tawassut. Il and then la is 2 counts long. La ma قاد قاف is heavy for fatha when you just attach it dal dal will get sifa qalqala قاد sa give very whistly sound and scene sa left for fatha when you just attach it fa will get hums left and rakhawa. Yes, you can say it has rakhawa. In for kasra give e sound attached with noon get sifa of punna in, but fatha is short. Na hu circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. Ka make ka light and 2 counts long. Na, short. Fa, give hums, and then it is 2 counts long. Fa, he, for kasra, give e sound. Sh, very short sound. Down, idgham with qunna, keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Down, for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws, the sound is short. Maqo, for fatha, open your jaws, attach it. Qaf, qaf is heavy and it will get qalqala. Maqo, down, ta is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with wow, and this is idgham with qunna. Down, sa, 4 counts long. Keep this very clear, separate from this mud. Okay, so sa, sa is very whistly sound. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. B, 2 counts long. La, 2 counts long. Mud. ولا تنكحوا ما نكح آباؤكم من النساء إلا ما قد سلف إنه كان فاحشة ومقتا وساء سبيلا. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.